Hamilton Safe was started in 1967 by two gentlemen, Red DeLuce and Harvey Hinkle. They were both veterans of this industry, and they came together and started the company. And then Gunnebo acquired Hamilton Safe in 2012.
The original founder of the company had a saying, and it still holds true today, that we don't have many standard products, we just have thousands of customs.
I mean, we have high standards that we have to meet, whether it's certain numbers like any other company.
You know, we want to have vendors that are very like-minded to us, where quality is of the utmost importance that we're bringing in.
We really value how our products go out the door, the quality, the look, the functionality of them.
We pride ourselves on building what we consider to be the best in class.
I can't say that we have many challenges because we've been building these for so long that we've got them pretty well standardized.
A customer can call and order exactly what they want, and we can build it.
So our standards are going to be based around what our customers' expectations are. We want to meet our customers' expectations every day.
It's really taking pride in what goes out the door. Like I say, our customers expect and demand a quality product from us.
We want to make sure that every interaction that we have with customers is positive and helpful. The good interaction is something that is always going to be a standard for this team.
Let's make sure their drawings are correct. Let's make sure all their information that they asked for is in there, you know, or their details that we've missed.
Since we moved into the new plant, I think there's better communication. I think the quality is better. I think they can expect very reliable orders and things being on time.
And as we've come together under one building and one roof, they've reinstated the well-being committee.
So we've got a well-being committee here in the U.S. And the Wellbeing Committee is made up of a group of associates from many different departments.
Some of the first things we did was on-site flu shots, biometric screening, activities that even though they're not physical well-being, they're emotional and employee satisfaction.
One of the big positive results out of this new factory is much less environmental impact.
We follow all local, state, and federal guidelines. We do audits semi-annual on all of our discharge for the water to the lakes, field, streams.
That's what we're working towards, is have a good way of, or a process which that can be recycled.
What footprint we're going to leave on our environment after we're all gone, I think, is one of the biggest things that excites me about Gunnebo today.
We're not so large that they're just a number, but we're not so small that there's not room for advancement. So here, you are seeing all the way up to the top.
Even though we're a corporate-owned company, we're still a family-oriented environment.
We're excited about the growth that we see in the future, but it still feels like a very tight-knit kind of family atmosphere.
I think the future is very bright for Hamilton.
The morals of the company have not changed.
I think the heart of the company has remained where we want it.
We really make everybody feel like part of the team here, and that's huge when you feel like you make a difference.
As long as I feel like we're making a difference and fulfilled, I'd like to do this for a long time. I have no intentions of not doing it. So.